Welcome back to my channel. This is Tara with Mayhem Crafty Cards, and if you see this case, you know what that means. New sparkle blends. I was so excited to see the October release, and I'm going to show you why. I even ordered extras. So I'm going to go through each one by one, and then I'm going to talk about the ones that are still left from September and August, which there aren't a lot left. So if you've never heard of Sparkle Blends is a company on Etsy, and she custom mixes all of these blends, which they're all fantastic. I just now used my last broken glass, and I made this card with it. I know he's kind of hard to see, but he's very shiny. So you can see the broken glass is like a clear sequin mix. So how I keep my sparkle blends is this first row here is the new release. Then, you know, we have September and August, and then ones I've just purchased myself. So with this bundle, I actually purchased 2 extras, and I'll show you when we get there. So there are 6 in this release, and I do have a coupon code for you guys, which is pretty awesome. So let me pull these out. I'm going to move this aside. And I'm going to show you guys these one by one. So the first one we have, let me zoom you into. There we go. It's called Merry and Bright. So Merry and Bright's our first mix. And as you can see, there are lots of awesome blends in here. So I'm going to dump this into my little bunny bowl, which is awesome. I love my bunny bowl. So I can show you guys some of these. So I did pick up a Nouveau spoon thingy, whatever it's called. So you can see you have these big presents. And I believe, was there 2 in here? Yes, here's the other one. So you have these big presents. You have snowflakes. You have all these, you know, super pretty colors. You have little candies. You have little stockings. I don't call them stockings, but they look like little socks. Oh, come on. There he is. Now watch, I'm going to pick up a whole bunch of them. So you have like these little stockings, which are super cute. You have some glitter sequins. You got little stars. Snowflakes, little ornaments. So it's a good Christmassy mix without it being too of the traditional, you know, Christmas colors, which I do have some in here. So yeah, this is Merry and Bright. Okay, and our next one is Hollyberry. So again, I'm going to dump this in here for you guys to see. So before I do that, so you can see these huge holly leaves, oh my gosh, in here. So you get, this is the more traditional Christmassy mix, I think. Well, to me, that's what it feels like. But you get these really cool sequins, and I just have some embossing powder on my little spoon, so that way they don't stick. But you get these really cool sequins, and then you get little holly berries. So you get a lot of greens, a lot of reds. You get some that just are very, very metallic. You got some that have like the little swirls on them, and it's just a really fun mix. So that one was Hollyberry. So the next one we have is Rustic Rudolph, and this one is your more rustic-y Christmas colors. So in here you get 2 of these deer. Maybe help if I, you know, stand in camera. And then you get a lot of greens, whites, reds. Some have polka dots on them, or not polka dots, the little swirlies on them. And then you get, you know, the little balls for the holly. It's just a really nice mix, especially for those more vintage Christmas cards. There's some browns in here. So you're getting all different kinds of shapes and sizes, and just a good variety. So that one was Rustic Rudolph. Next we have Minter is Coming, which is super cute. So this is probably, I think it's going to be one of my favorites. So what you have in here is you have a lot of little candy canes, a lot of red sequins, a lot of white, iridescent. I shouldn't say white, but it's more like an iridescent color. You got some hearts, some stars, you got some clay hearts, you got some that are, you know, the little swirlies, you got some little mints. So I think this is going to be a super fun Christmas mix. I really like these candy canes. Let's see if I can get one picked up here. Well, there he is right there. So you can see it's a super fun mix. So you get a lot of the clay candy canes, the stars. I think that's it in this one. Oh, and the little candy pieces. But you get these really cool ones, like this one right here. It looks purple, but it's not. It's white. So that one is Minter is Coming. And, you know, a easy little tip is when you guys are taking these out of the packages, use your embossing buddy to help with some of the static, because that really does help a lot. Okay, so I'm going to clean this one up, and then I will move on to the next one. So now these two, I actually ordered 2 of. So this is Silver Bells. Look how pretty that is. I'm going to go ahead and dump her in my bunny bowl here. So you can see you get these really big stars. So you have one right here. There's 2. Oh, I see 2. And then you have all these super pretty silver elements. Here's a little bell. So if you have somebody who has a winter wedding, or just, this one looks like a little ice cube. Oh, how cute. I didn't even notice that one. You got little pearls in here, and silver, you know, little pearls. This would be good for a winter wedding, or just about, I mean, anything winter. There's a bigger ball right there. You have some little clay snowflakes. Just a good mix of silvers, you know, silvers, whites, you know, the metallic and the holographic. So yeah, this is one I ordered 2 of. So I'm going to put this one back, and we're going to grab the last one. So the next one I ordered 2 of was Frosted Gingerbread. And I got these because I picked up the Lawn Fawn snow globes, and there's a little gingerbread man in there, a little gingerbread scene. So here you got these little cupcakes, you got your little gingerbread man, you got a lot of browns, you know, whites, you get little candies. I'm trying to pick up one of these little cupcakes and one of these little gingerbread men at the same time without getting everything else on here. Almost had it. Okay. Well, anyways, so there's a little gingerbread man. And then you guys can see the little cupcakes here. This is going to be such a fun mix for those little snow globe shakers to add this into, especially the gingerbread man. So I ordered 2 of these. So I have 2 more sparkle blends to show you guys. But this one, like I said, this is a good mix. You got browns, whites, creams. This one, I love these ones, because they're just so, you know, metallic. And then you get some square ones. I do like the square ones too. The square ones are probably one of my favorite shapes, just because not everybody has the squares. So let me show you the last 2, or let me put these away and I'll show you the last 2. Okay, so this next one is more fall themed. It's called Give Thanks. There we go. This is the perfect fall mixture. Okay, so this one was Give Thanks, and you can see this big, huge turkey. There's a couple of them in here, along with some little flowers. This is just a super nice color combo for fall. Oh, there's a lot of turkeys in here. So you don't have to use a turkey. So if you have a blend that you just want to use, you know, you don't think you can use because of the name, just pick out the ones that you want. Like this guy here is one of my favorites that just fell. He reminds me of the one from Nebula. But yeah, like, don't just go by the names of the sparkle blends. There's another square one. So yeah, this is a nice fall mixture. Okay, so the last one, I think you guys are going to love this one, is going to be called Unicorn Chill. Okay, so for all my unicorn lovers out there, this one is Unicorn Chill. And as you can see, before I even get it into my bunny bowl, look at that. I love these colors for winter, which is crazy because they're not traditional winter colors. But you get these really big hearts. And you get a couple of them. There's pink, blue, and I think there's a clear. Yep. Pink, blue. Oh, I have two pinks and a blue. But you get little snowflakes in here. I mean, this is like my perfect winter mix because it's got blues and pinks. And then you get these clay unicorns. So you get these big ones. And then you have these teeny tiny little ones. So this is like perfect for those who love unicorns. You get these little clear beads. I won't be able to pick those up. But you get a lot of those in here. So yeah, this is like my perfect. Now for me, I would pick out my unicorns and just use the snowflakes and the sequins that I think would go with, you know, a winter card. Or I keep going back to snowflakes, but that's, you know, I love snowflakes. So yes, this one is Unicorn. What did I say it was? Unicorn Chill. So if you guys have not gotten any sparkle blends before, you really need to go check out Amber's site because it is fantastic. I love my sparkle blends. I hoard them, and I shouldn't. See, now I've made a sparkle blend mess, but it's okay. I'm put them all back in my bunny bowl. It's nice because it's a custom mix, so you're not going to have the same thing everybody else has, and that's what I like about it. Not only that, Amber is just fantastic. I mean, if you've ever talked to her or been in the Sparkle Blends fan club, which I will link below, that's on Facebook, you guys should really check that out because there's a lot of great ideas that come from that site. So there's still some October blend, or October just released. Which she does have a few bundles left. We have August, which there's a few bundles left, and September, which is a few bundles left. So I'm going to link her site down below. Let me know if you guys have tried Sparkle Blends, what you guys think of them. Yeah, so thanks for watching, guys. Have a great weekend. Bye.